third example. So 2x squared minus 3x equals 4. Again, we have to make it a standard form. So for us to do that, you subtract 4 both sides to basically eliminate the right hand side and make it 0. Okay, so we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 4. Okay, and we have to find the a, b, and c. A would be 2, b would be negative 3, c would be negative 4. Okay, so the discriminant is b squared minus 4a and c times c. So b, which is negative 3 squared, minus 4 times 2, which is a, times c, we have negative 4. And we simplify this one. Negative 3 squared, that is positive 9. Negative 4 times 2, that is negative 8. Times negative 4, that is positive 32. And when we add them together, we have the result would be 41. And as you can see, the discriminant here is positive 41. And positive 41 is not a perfect square number. Therefore, using the case given above, the discriminant is positive. Because the discriminant is positive, you know what will happen? Yung equation natin, equation has two irrational solutions. Go ahead and check it and you will see na may dalawang solution naman tayo. Pero irrational solutions nga lang ang lalabas dun sa ating given na equation here. Okay? So, because the discriminant is positive and that is not a perfect square number. And that's it. These are the first 3 examples for the method using discriminant. Okay, so in this particular problem, your turn. I want you to practice your skill. You have to determine the same process that we did earlier. So these 3 things. Okay, I presented you the 3 cases and I want you to find the nature of this roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, feel free to pause this video and I want you to write your solution in your notebook and the teacher will check if that is if we could see you in our classroom. Okay, these are 2.